In this video, I want to talk to you about how I helped over 200 people make over £80,000 between them at Cheltenham Festival 2021. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and how to be smarter with your money. Don't worry, this video isn't going to be just me showing off about how I've helped so many people make so much money. I do want to put some value into this video to help you also make a lot of money with match betting and horse racing as well. The way I helped all these people make all this money through Cheltenham Festival was of course through the Profit Boss Patreon screen sharing that I do, where I live stream and help people get on horse racing to do with extra places in match betting. The reason why I started that up is because over on the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, I'd noticed a lot of people saying that they were really struggling to get on any extra places at a decent qualifying loss. So obviously the qualifying loss being the amount of money it's costing you to get on a horse. You don't want to be placing a £20 each bet, so £40 total, and it costing you like £10. You want it really to be costing you just a couple of pounds, or maybe £3 or £4 at the very most, depending on what the back odds of the horse are. As I said, I don't want this to just be a video of me showing off. We're going to get on the laptop now, and I'm going to show you how you can set up your OddsMonkey tabs in order to get on these extra places yourself. And then obviously at a later date, if you are still struggling, you can get joined up and join the other, around 300 members now over on the Profit Boss Patreon with making these extra profits there on Extra Place Racing. Here on the OddsMonkey dashboard then, to get the Extra Place Matcher up, we'd obviously go to Tools, Matches, and then at the bottom there, Extra Place Matcher. Now today, as I'm filming this video, this is the morning of the final day of Royal Ascot. So we're on the Saturday, and we can see here the first race of the day is at 3:05. So I'm currently recording this video at 11:30 in the morning, and I'm going to jump on to the Patreon live stream at 1:30 this afternoon until 5 in the afternoon to hopefully then help everyone make some profits on all of these races here. So we can see we've got the 3:05, the 3:40, then there's the 4:20 there, and obviously the 5 o'clock, 5:35, and finally the 6:10. Now, the way you want this extra place matcher set up with the tabs in order to be able to place these bets as fast as possible is you want the extra place matcher first, and then you want to bring up the Smarkets tab. So if you go ahead, you can click on the Smarkets tabs here straight from OddsMonkey, and it's going to bring up those Smarkets windows there for you. I would advise against you clicking on the bookmaker there though, and bringing it up through OddsMonkey. I would strongly advise that you actually bring up a fresh new tab and then manually type in the bookmaker, just for account health reasons there. But the way you would have your Smarkets tab set up then is, so the first one would be for the win market, and then the second one you would reduce the expansion there on the win market and expand the place market there, so that you've nice and easily got the extra place matcher, the win market, and then the place market all set up on the tabs, so you can quickly access them nice and fast. Just to mention really quick, if you're still not currently signed up to OddsMonkey, make sure you use the promo code ProfitBoss50, that's ProfitBoss50, all capitals, all one word, as it'll get you 50% off your first month. So it's just a great way to save even more money on a site that's going to help you make a lot of extra tax-free profit each month. But having said that, the next tab you want here is actually the bookmaker tab. So whichever bookmakers that you're using, it could be any of these here in the list, of course, you would want that set up, or however many you're using, set up between the OddsMonkey tab there and the Smarkets tab, so that when these matches become available, so if we just go ahead and press refresh here on this 3:05 race and see if we currently have any matches available, when these become available, you'll then just quickly be able to click on the bookmaker tab at the top, select the horse, and click the each way button, tick it on the bet slip there. Always make sure you tick that button. And then you'll be able to place your stake amount, so if you're using £10 each way, and then you'll quickly, so here, without checking my notes to see if this would be a good odds match, just looking on the face of it there, I don't think that would be quite good enough for us to get on. It's William Hill there paying 4th and 5th. So it's saying a qualifying loss of £2.90 to bet £20 total, and then a profit of £19.10 for the horse finishing in either 4th or 5th there. Whether or not, I'm not sure if that would definitely be a good match, but if it was, you can see here that you'd put £10 in at the win-lay odds of 7. So for the horse Creative Force, you could then just check here, is it still win-lay odds of 7? And you can see there Creative Force. Win-lay in the blue box there is actually 7.6. So straight away there, because we've got the tabs set up, we can see that we wouldn't be able to then place that £10 stake at a win-lay odds of 7. We would indeed need to go ahead and press refresh and keep looking there to see what other matches we can try and find that are going to be good enough. Now, just to show you an example of the Profit Boss Patreon live stream here, this is what it looks like. So these are all the lovely, fantastic members here that are getting involved in the chat. You can see here at the bottom that there was 66 registered attendees, so that was 66 members there out of the around 300 in total. So they're not, these streams aren't overcrowded or anything. There's just a really nice amount of people getting involved in the chat, and everyone's really helpful and friendly in there. But you can see there that my face is just little small face in the corner. This stream was actually 3.5 hours long that I did yesterday. And you can see that the main part of the screen there is actually my OddsMonkey Extra Place Matcher, in order for me to really try and help you find good matches to get on. And then whenever someone in the chat finds one that I've missed, they will comment that, and I will then be able to share that and just make sure that everyone is getting on that horse. Now, the reason why the Profit Boss Patreon is so much better than you just going to any of these other sort of channels on YouTube here and buying a course to do with how to make money in match betting, or even those courses that are to do with trading, without me mentioning any names. When you buy those courses for several hundreds of pounds, no one is there then helping you on a live stream and actually helping you make the money. And I think that's what's wrong with those courses there. No one's helping you in live real time actually make that money. You're just kind of left to it to try and make the profit yourself. Whereas with the Profit Boss Patreon live streams, it's £15 a month, so less than £5 a week, which is just an insane amount of value for the fact that it's myself and many other members there helping each other get on more horses and make more profits through match betting on horse racing. So I hope this video has now let you know how I helped over 200 people make that £80,000 of profit at the Cheltenham Festival, and I will be doing a poll on how much money everyone's made over the 5 days of Royal Ascot when we finish up today, so I will let everyone know the results of that here on the Profit Boss YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed this video or you found it valuable or anything like that, please do press the like button now. I really appreciate it. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.